Reports this was not to be. The protest continued relentlessly, forcing the president to devise ways of addressing the growing dissent.
Despite the head of state ceding ground and implementing austerity measures, the Gen Z continued with their demos. On July 11th, pressure saw President William Ruto slash his government's expenditure and entire cabinet, save for Prime CS Musalia Mudavadi.
In line with the powers given to me by Article 1521 and 1525B of the Constitution and Sections 12 of the Office of the Attorney General's Act, decided to dismiss with immediate effect all the Cabinet Secretaries and Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya, of the Cabinet of Kenya.
President William Ruto later quoted the opposition in what he termed as a broad-based government meant to be inclusive of everyone. Despite inclusion of the opposition in government, Kenyans continue to speak and rejected the president's move, saying he went against their demands of having new faces in government. The likes of Murara Kebaso and Kasmuel Makori continued with their opposition. With the continued opposition of the government, the president again extended his arm to former President Uhuru Kenyatta, a meeting that is suspected to have led to the nomination of appointment of individuals close to the former president. Over the weekend, President William Ruto was seen with Kasmuel Makori, perhaps an attempt to bring the Gen Z close and quell the growing discontent on the government's failure to meet campaign promises.
Number one, this is not a tantrum of Generation Z and whatnot. All of us are Kenyans. All of us are citizens. All of us are saying something. And all of us, we are not ignorant. And we're not crying crazy things.
The Gen Z demos serve as a constant reminder of the government's failure. Will President William Ruto find a way to infiltrate the movement, constantly poking holes in government policies? Only time will tell. Dennis Aseto, KTN.
Just ahead, an exclusive interview with